Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use Gemini Canvas to build a first grade hand washing activity. Then click the create button in the top right to turn it into an infographic. The best part is you can actually watch Canvas generate the layout by building it in code behind the scenes. Alright, once you're in Gemini, we want to start in Canvas, so we have a workspace that can transform it into different formats. I'm starting a new chat and choosing Canvas as the workspace option. If you don't see it right away, look for Canvas in the Tools Creation options in Gemini. Now we're going to generate the activity content first because the Create menu works best when Canvas has something to transform into an infographic. Create a first grade classroom activity to teach hand washing. Include a kid-friendly goal, a short teacher script, materials, steps, and a quick check for understanding. Keep sentences very short and include a 20-second hand washing chant. Now I'm going to do one quick refinement so it's infographic ready. Rewrite the steps as simple steps, each no more than 6 words, and add one safety tip. When you click Create, you'll get a drop-down menu with options like Web Page and Infographic, and a few others. Today we're choosing Infographic. Now watch what happens. Canvas begins building the infographic by coding, and you'll see it switch into a creation mode where it's generating the structure behind the scenes. Once the infographic appears, I like to do fast tweaks such as replace any long words with first grade words or add simple icons next to each step like soap, water, and towel. This one looks pretty good, so from here you can take a screenshot of it and move it to a tool like Google Slides or Canva to print and have up in your classroom above the sink. One quick tip, if you want to get back to something that you previously created, simply scroll up through the chat to access the original activity that you generated the infographic from. And that's the workflow. Create the activity in Canvas, click Create in the top right, choose Infographic, and watch Canvas build it into a visual format. In the comments below, write what you have created an infographic for or how you might use this awesome Gemini feature. Thanks for watching.